Two gents, no sense. Haha.
New hairstyle and all, mullet suiting you.
Thank you. Summers are here, so I thought I should get my summer look on.
Nice. I like
और बता, how are things?
I am sad.
क्यों?
I'm disappointed
अरे
and a little bit disheartened also.
क्या हो गया भाई?
Views ही नहीं आ रहे यार.
इतना आसान नहीं है यार. To get their views, we have to become our audience's muse.
तो क्या नाचूं मैं?
If you can, नाचने को भी तैयार है भाई. Views दे दो, subscribe कर लो, please.
Please. You know the drill.
But exciting times now. IPL is back.
मेरा तो flow टूट गया यार. इतना लंबा
क्या बात
break
कर
हो
रहा
गया
है?
यार.
आज के मैचेस नहीं देखे दोनों?
I saw
Yes.
high scoring matches.
High scoring matches and they've literally decided who the top three are. Literally क्या they have decided who the top
कौन
three
कौन से
are.
हो गए?
GT is qualified.
Right.
RCB is qualified. And Punjab, they've qualified.
Punjab
All
is
three have
there.
qualified. अब बस नंबर 4 की फाइट रह गई है.
मुंबई है वो. मुंबई ही है वो.
Between, मैं बहुत बड़ा बॉम्बे फैन हूँ, but between Mumbai and Delhi, they have
I
their
watched
showdown on Wednesday. That will decide कि भाई top 4 कौन है अपने.
मुंबई RCB फाइनल है गाइस, लिख लो.
आप लोग क्या लग रहा है कौन होने वाली है फोर्थ टीम टू गो टू द प्लेऑफ्स?
कमेंट डाउन बिलो.
नीचे बताओ जल्दी. बट आज के मैचेस, पंजाब वर्सेस राजस्थान,
High scoring
high
match.
scoring game. I think Punjab set a target of 219.
Yes.
Nehal Vadera 70 odd, and Shashank Singh, he finished it well. I think they played out of their skin, and Rajasthan gave them a good fight.
Very good.
209 तो उन्होंने भी बना लिए.
सूर्यवंशी जी ने 15 में 40 बना दिए भाई.
हाँ, and Yashasvi scored a 50. Rajasthan तो पहले से out था, but like Punjab has cemented their place in the playoffs. And दूसरा match between GT and Delhi.
What a match. Rahul's 100 in vain.
Almost 300s in the
Almost
match.
300s.
Rahul not out, 112 बनाया. Gill and Sai Sudarshan. They made it look like a cakewalk.
Unbelievable.
Sai Sudarshan scored 100, Gill made 93. They didn't even lose a single wicket, Gujarat.
Sai Sudarshan orange cap holder now.
Top 5 में जो थे अभी भी शायद वही लोग हैं. There is Sai Sudarshan, there is Shubman Gill, there is Yashasvi Jaiswal, there is Surya Kumar, and then there is Virat.
Kohli boys here, bro.
कोहली का मैच वॉश आउट हो गया, नहीं तो you never know. He would be the one at the top.
कोहली का बहुत कुछ वॉश आउट हो गया. Talking of that, Indian Test Team 2025 हो क्या रहा है?
भाई म्यूजिकल चेयर चल रहा है वहाँ पे कैप्टनसी को लेकर. पहले तो करेक्ट. I mean एक दिन न्यूज़ आती है बुमराह has been appointed as captain, उसके बाद बोलता है फेक न्यूज़ है. Then somebody says Gill is going to be the captain. फिर कोई बोलता है ऋषभ पंत कैप्टन और मे बी द वाइस कैप्टन. Then they say KL Rahul is also in talks. मतलब
Iyer is not even there in the conversation.
But Iyer I think is not a part of their plans right now. Because if he would have been a part of the plans, then India A की जो team announce हुई है, they would have kept Iyer in it. He's not there, so I'm pretty sure he's not going to England. But sad, I mean, considering the bloke has 100 on debut in Test cricket and he's been in the best form of his life.
Insightful.
Whatever he touches turns to gold.
Sunil Gavaskar commented, you saw?
क्या?
The coach and the captain have averages in England as 12 and 14. God bless.
Captain, I mean, if Gill becomes
If
captain.
Gill becomes the captain, yeah.
I mean, यार गंभीर का क्या बोलोगे? मतलब have you heard of the rumor that Gambhir is the reason for Rohit and Virat's exit out of the Test team? What do you think?
What do you think? हटा दो. Perfectly articulated.
Big claim. आप लोगों को क्या लगता है? You guys should let us know. Do you think Gambhir is behind their ouster or it's their own decision?
गंभीर ने हमारे मेन प्लेयर्स को गंभीर करके बाहर कर दिया है.
क्योंकि I remember 2 weeks before Rohit's retirement, he was on Michael
Yeah.
Clark's podcast and he very clearly said that he's preparing for the England series and it's on his mind.
For that matter, Virat Kohli was practicing with the red ball with his coach from his Delhi
coach Sharandeep Singh.
Yeah, there is something bigger going on.
ऐसा
which we
क्या
don't
एकदम
know.
से हो गया होगा कि भाई उन्होंने सारे अपने ambitions छोड़ के एकदम से decision ले
Two
लिया?
big names, यार. Anyways, just
हाँ यार,
leave that.
कुछ तो अच्छा भी हुआ है क्रिकेट में. रोहित शर्मा के नाम से स्टैंड.
Thank God, I was so happy, yaar. It was such a incredible moment. It was emotional. He got his whole family there. He thanked his brother, sister-in-law, of course, Ritika, his wife,
Parents.
of course, and बहुत ही overwhelming था in a very good way. I had tears in my eyes, like so did Rohit.
I mean, imagine a guy from Borivali to come this far.
खेड़े में यार.
One खेड़े में अपना stand. And the way he called his parents to the stage to press the button.
भाई के बाद अपना गार्डन है अब.
इस गार्डन में तो किसी को नहीं घूमने देगा. Talking of which, Bollywood. भाई कितना hate फैला रही है यार public. सलमान खान का सुना तूने? Where he was dancing on the stage with his belly showing and everybody sort of made such a big thing about it.
I am sad. Not for Salman, but for the people.
Absolutely.
कि आप क्यों इतना ट्रोल करना है? He is 60, he is dancing on a stage, trying to entertain everybody. 60 years old में बंदा उतना एफर्ट कर रहा है, आपकी फैमिली में लोग 60 पे क्या कर रहे हैं? वो फिर भी कुछ एफर्ट डाल रहा है. Don't be so hateful.
Body shaming, वो भी 60 साल के आदमी पे ठीक है यार. When he has to look good on the screen, he does work for it. But
और VFX भी है.
Yeah, I mean not just him. Amir Khan, उसकी मूवी आ रही है सितारे ज़मीन पर, which is in 2025, and he's being trolled for something he said in 2015. Come on,
Guys,
get a
you
life.
should love your heroes.
But yeah, talking of heroes, there is this another young hero who's coming up.
Who?
Yug Devgan. Apparently,
Go on,
Ajay Devgan's son, he's lent his voice to Karate Kid Legends along with Ajay Devgan. So
Yes.
Ajay Devgan is basically giving his voice for Jackie Chan.
Right.
And Yug is doing it for the protagonist, जो बच्चा है उसमें. What's
Ben
his
Wong.
name? Ben Wong.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean that's new. He's starting early,
Yes.
right?
Yes. And it looks like an amazing story because it's popping out from Cobra Kai, which was a show on Netflix. Had 5 great seasons. Ralph Macchio,
Oh, yeah.
the OG Karate Kid.
He's the same guy, right? The dude looked 14 at 18, 18
Yeah.
at 30, and 30 at 60.
Exactly. So the main kick was crane kick
Oh yeah.
in Karate Kid.
तो इस बार क्या होगा? Crane peak.
So obviously.
But yeah, I mean, it's fun. Did you see that iconic dialogue?
एक दिन में सिंघम बनाओगे क्या? ये हिंदी में देखो guys. ये एक मूवी हिंदी में देखनी पड़ेगी.
हिंदी वाली मूवी है.
Yes.
अजय देवगन तो अपने OG हैं ही, but talking of another OG, Babu Rao is not doing Hera Fairy.
I know, yaar. Why? I mean, he just mentioned that there are no creative differences with Priyadarshan, the director of the movie. But
But
I'm
क्या
sad.
पर्सनल रीजंस बोल के छोड़ दिया परेश रावल ने.
ये बाबूराव का स्टाइल है.
But यार, I can't imagine Hera Fairy without him.
It is not Hera Fairy without him.
ठीक है, but that's all behind the scenes. We don't know what's gonna happen in the future. But Bollywood is going places. Did you see the latest updates from Cannes Film Festival 2025?
Cannes है कि Cannes है.
भाई देखो, जो तुम्हारे कैन को अच्छा लगे वो बोल लो.
Okay.
If you like it, you can.
Okay.
If you don't, you can't.
Okay. Nice. I like it. I like it.
But talking of Cannes, Nitanshi Goyal, man.
कौन?
भाई, वो सजनी रे.
अच्छा ये my God.
उसको देखा तूने?
She is looking so different.
Oh yes, she's wearing this black and gold gown, looking stunning. कोई बोल नहीं सकता है कि ये लापता लेडीज वाली हीरोइन है.
एक बात कहें आपसे. I love you.
और इनके घर में इतना भी सिर्फ यही बोल पाते हैं.
सब बाकी सब बोल चुके हैं.
And not just her. Talking of another rags to riches story from India, Nancy Tyagi.
ये कौन है?
भाई कहाँ हो तुम यार? Nancy Tyagi is self-taught influencer and designer who was there at Cannes last year as well. And इस साल भी she was there in her extravagant gown, पूरा mermaid वाला feel, and a lot of corsages, a lot of flowers. She was looking stunning. She literally goes to the remotest of places in Delhi, places like Seelampur, and sources the fabric, does everything on her own, constructs the garment, and she creates these extravagant masterpieces. Hats off to you, Nancy.
Nancy is fancy.
She is. Talking of fancy, did you see what Bella Hadid was wearing? She was dressed to kill in that black gown.
Bold and backless.
Absolutely. Who designed it? Fashion trivia.
Saint Laurent.
वाह,
From Paris.
Paris.
Yeah.
बड़ा परी कर रहे हो आज. खाने में क्या है? परी राइस.
आप ऐसे ही मुस्कुराते रहिए. We love you all.